Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can apply for a job on JobSearch. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing is to open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.indeed.com/m. So once you type it in, you will be redirected to its homepage where you need to be signed in first. So now here you can type in what kind of job you are searching for and where it should be located. Now all you need to do is click on the Find Jobs option right beside your search bar. So once you click on Find Jobs, you will get a numerous list of jobs which are posted according to your preference that you searched before. So amongst all these, you can simply choose one of the jobs according to your preference and click on the job title. So once you click on the job title, you will get a page where you can click on Apply on Company Site. So once you are on the company site, you can get the Apply Now button on the left hand side of the corner. So once you press it for the last time, you need to press on the Apply option again. And this is how you apply for a job. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.